Hi everyone, it's Tiffany here to do my recap for the day. Hope you all had a great weekend. This morning I traded JMIA as a 5-minute opening range breakup and it failed on me. As you can see, the first 5-minute candle closed as a bull candle. It opened below the VWAP, closed above. It looked really strong. I was watching it on the 1 minute test the VWAP, and it was trading above it. And when it made a new 1 minute high after the first 5-minute candle closed, I went long with a stop loss below the VWAP. My first partial was going to be taken at the high of the day, and my second, the high of pre-market, which was also 2 levels I had marked from the daily as well. But as you can see, it came back and stopped me out right below VWAP. And then I traded Tesla, the same strategy. It was a 5-minute opening range breakup. As you can see, the first 5-minute closed was a really nice bull candle. There was a pretty large wick to the bottom side of the second 5-minute candle, but I was watching the 1 minute as it came down through the VWAP and then pulled back up through the moving averages, and it just looked really strong. So I went long. I took 25% partial at this moving average on the 5-minute, which was also above the high of the morning, and it was also the this moving average on the 50 moving average on the 15-minute chart, and then it pulled back down to the VWAP, and as you can see right here on the 1 minute, and then I saw this 1 minute doji, and I added to my position here. And then, yes, I have quite a bit of a Christmas tree going on here. I partialed up through at either levels I have marked from the daily or moving averages. And then I added one more time here as it was making an ABCD pattern and it made a new high. I added, and this partial was taken at the 200 moving average on the 15-minute chart, and it was above this this marked daily level. And then it came down, and when it made a new 15-minute low, I exited the rest of my position and actually started watching it for a reversal. So when it made a double top on the 5-minute chart, plus this 15-minute candle closed as a shooting star, I figured it was going to at least come down and test the VWAP. So when it made a new 5-minute low and it started losing the moving averages on the 1-minute chart, and it obviously made a new 15-minute low, which is why I ended up getting out of my long position, I went short, and I took my first partial at this level I had marked from the daily, and then it came back up and stopped me out at break even. But I didn't think it was ready. I didn't think it was going to go back up. I thought it was still weak. So I watched to re-enter the position. And as you can see on the 1 minute, it pushed up through this daily level and started failing again. And so I went short again when it lost these moving averages. And then once again, I took partials on the way down at either levels I had marked from the daily or moving averages. And then I got all out at this 415 level. As you can see, a ton of volume came in, and I didn't have many shares left, so I went ahead and exited the rest of my position. But those were my trades for the day. I hope you all had a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.